sweeties, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be unstuffing and cash stuffing my variable expense envelopes, and we're going to see how much rollover that I had left over from the last pay period. If you like these type of videos, give it a thumbs up. Please share with everyone, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below. This will help my channel out a great deal. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, sweeties, before I begin this video, I want to thank all my new subscribers and welcome to the family. I'm so happy, so grateful that you guys are here. And the ones that's been rocking and rolling me this whole time, I'm so grateful for your continued support. And also, the ones who have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. It's free. All right, sweeties, those of you guys that are new watching my channel, I want to let you guys know that over here, I do cash stuffings, expense check-ins, saving challenges, happy mail unboxing. I do a little bit of vlogging, and I also do budgeting. My goals is to save as much as I can and become debt-free. All right, sweeties, how are you guys all doing? Hope you guys all doing well. Me, honey, I'm doing well. I hope you guys had a beautiful Valentine's Day. Well, me, today, I didn't do much. I just worked. My fiance and I, we are going to be going out, this coming week. We're going to be going to that Texan Brazilian restaurant. That's our favorite restaurant. So I'm going to be, I'm looking forward to that, you guys. And so I love to eat, honey, and I just can't wait to eat that food. So, sweeties, other than that, I've been working hard all day. And once again, I've been on Instagram, TikTok, and, looking at you guys' videos. And that's about it, you guys. So, sweeties, I hope you guys have a fun, safe, and awesome rest of the week. All right, sweeties, so the first thing I want to go over with you is the amount of money that I'm going to be cash stuffing. So the amount of money I'm going to be cash stuffing is going to be a total of $300. All right, sweeties, so I have my cash envelope here. I'm going to take the monies out. I'm going to move the envelope on the side, and I'm going to count to make sure this comes out to $300. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 300. And that is correct. All right, sweeties, what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate the denominations. I'm going to place it over here in this cash tray. All right, sweeties, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my wallet and we're going to unstuff. And so let's open this up on the side here. And so what I'm going to do also too is I am going to write down the amount that I am going to be unstuffing. So I'm going to write this down over here in this beautiful budget book. And let's see. Let's go to the first category. And the first category is Keena's funds. And so let me unstuff here. Let's see how much I have. So, sweeties, I have a $10 bill. Oh, that's great. All right, sweeties, so I have $10, $15, $16. So I'm going to write this over here where it says ending. I'm going to write $16. And I'm going to place this money over here in this particular cash tray. And those of you guys that are new watching my channel, I want to let you guys know that the amount of monies that I have roll over or left over, what I usually do is I usually cash stuff those in my saving challenges. All right, sweeties, so let's turn. And so we're going to get groceries. Let's see how much money I have rolled over in groceries. So that's $2. So I'm going to write $2 next to groceries. And I'm going to place the monies over here in this cash tray. Next, let's go to snacks. And so, sweeties, I have $5. I'm going to place that over here on the side. And let me write down $5 next to snacks. So, sweeties, I just wanted to make sure that you guys understand that where it says beginning, these are what I had cash stuffed in my envelope for the first pay period. I'm sorry, for the last pay period. And then so now what I'm doing is I'm just unstuffing what I had left over or rollover. I just want to let you guys know that that's what I'm doing. So, sweeties, for gas, I have $5 rollover slash leftover. I'm going to place it once again over here. And I am going to write down $5. Car wash, I usually just skip that. Next, we have spending. So let's see how much money I had rollover left over. All right, sweeties, I had $1 remaining left. I'm going to place it over here. And so sweeties, I'm going to write down $1. We're going to turn to the next category, which is restaurants. And so the amount of money that I had left over is $2. I'm going to write that down over here in restaurants. Next is self-care slash beauty. And I had $2 remaining left. And I'm going to write that down over here where it says ending. Nails. I have $1 remaining left. And let's write that down over here in this ending category. Next, it is hair. And $2 remaining left. I'm going to place it over here. And I'm going to write that down up under the hair category in the ending section over here. Next, it is home supplies. And so, sweeties, I have $2 remaining left. Alrighty, and then last category is miscellaneous. Oh, okay. So I have actually $2 remaining left. So I'm going to place that over here, and I'm going to write that amount down over here. All right, sweeties. So what I'm going to do now is, since I wrote down all the remaining left in each category, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to move everything on the side. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of my rollover slash leftovers, and I'm going to count to see how much it equaled out to. So that's 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Oh my goodness, you guys, I have $40 remaining left. Wait, let me count one more time to make sure I'm not dreaming. 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Yay! I have $40 rollover slash leftover remaining left. And so once again, sweeties, what I'm going to do with this rollover slash leftover money, I'm going to be placing this into my saving challenge. So I'm going to place that money back over here in this cash tray. And so I'm going to bring my wallets back out, and now we are going to cash stuff. All right, sweeties, so let's open up to the first category here. And let's see, the first category, it is Kina. That's going to receive me a total of $40. So that is 1, 220, so $40. I'm going to place that inside this envelope. Next category, it is groceries, and that's going to receive me a total of $80. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8. All right, let me make sure. 20, 40, 60, $80. All right, sweeties, let's place it in the groceries category, nice and neat. Next category, it is snacks, you guys, and that's going to receive a total of $20. So here it is. I'm going to place it nice and neat. Next, sweeties, it is gas, and that's going to receive me a total of $40. So that's $40. So, sweeties, so far in my gas tank, I actually have like 3 quarters of a tank, so I have more than half of a tank. So hopefully I don't have to use all of this money. So I hope I have some more gas money, you know, rolled over for the next pay period. All right, sweeties, we're gonna skip car wash. Next, we're gonna do spending, and that's gonna receive a total of $30. So I'm gonna give myself a 20 and a 10, so that's $20, $30. I'm gonna place it nice and neat inside this envelope. Next, you guys, is restaurant, and that's going to be receiving a total of, I'm going to give it $50. So that's 1, 2 20s and 1 10. 20, 40, $50. You guys, sorry about this lighting. It's kind of, it's just all over the place. You know what? Let me see, can I move the light a little bit? Oh, let's see. I'm sorry, sweeties. I don't know. I just can't adjust this light. Okay, how is that? I hope that's a little bit better, you guys, because it had a, you know, a glare. So I hope this is a little bit better. But I got to try to work on. You see that? You see me moving the lamp? So it's kind of, okay. I hope you guys can see it, sweeties. All right, so the next category is self-care and beauty. That's going to receive me a total of $20. So here's my last 20. I'm going to cash stuff. Next is nails. That's going to receive me a total of $5. I'm going to place that nice and neat. All right, sweeties, next is hair. That's going to receive a total of $5 as well. Here we go. Next is home supplies. That's going to receive a total of $5 also. Here it is. And last but not least, you guys, I'm going to be cash stuffing miscellaneous, and that's going to receive a total of $5. And here it is, sweeties. Let me place this inside. So, sweeties, the money that I just cashed up, that's got to last me till the next pay period. So, let's pray we have some more rollover money for next time, y'all. So, sweeties, that is all that I have for you. If you like these type of videos, give it a thumbs up. Please share with everyone. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below. Those of you guys that are not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that button. Don't forget to turn on your notifications for my video uploads. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, sweetie.